Hello guys, this is LT. Today we are going to draw Fila logo. So let me start with drawing Excel X line. I will be selecting point 0 and 0, 0, then I press tab and then 0 again. Then I will change to ortho mode either by clicking this one in the corner, the right angle, or by clicking F8. Then I will be now drawing the grid lines, so I will be using offset. Then I will be putting 7 from the bottom, again 25 from bottom also. Then now I will go from, sorry, not here, I can press exit, then go up like this one, 0.5. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, then sorry, let me go like this. Okay, then from the second line top I will be typing 7, then 2.3, another 7, and that's it for this one. So this is let's finish the vertical. Now let's go for the horizontal. We will do first this 7, then 21.1 from the beginning. Okay, then another here I will put 1.9, another 2 like this, then 7. Okay, then 3, 7 again, 20.5, 2, and finally 8. This end on the drawing for the grid lines. So now after I draw the line, the guideline or the grid line, now I will add layer for them, special layer, and I will name it guideline, and I will give it special color, and then I will click OK. It's totally fine if you want to keep them without another layer and keep them open. Like now, see, I will lock them. So in case I delete by mistake some of them, it will not be allowing me to delete. Now I will draw the circle also. The circle I will be using one command, like you can now first let me check this one. This command is allowing me to select two tangent and then add the radius, which is 3.5. So I can draw easily now. I have all of this guidelines for me. I will just simply click and I can add all of my circles easily just by selecting two lines and then adding 3.5. And also I will add one in the corner, but let me first now connecting all of them to draw the F. So like this, okay, and also like this here. Another one, like I mentioned earlier, I will be selecting those two and I will add the radius here 1. Then I will connect also from this one to this one. Now I will connect this one also. Finally I will select all of them and I will trim inside. Yes, trim all of this. So now see this one also. Let me select all of them and again click TR trim. No, sorry, it's not selected. I will click TR trim and I will trim this, and here there's small part. I will again trim. Okay, great. So now the F is done. Let me do the I. Circle, then I can copy it and keep it here in the downstairs and connecting both and then trim this. Okay, then I can easily, sorry, this is not properly connected, like this. Okay, great. Then I can select it and trim, enter, then select all of this inside. The eye is done. Now let me continue for the L. Select this two. So the same concept is going to be for this one also. Now in order to draw the A, let me select an outline, then I will draw it. Oh sorry, the ortho is on. Ortho mode, let me turn it off. Then I will be doing like, let's say 30, and then I will do the angle of 58.5 just by clicking tab and entering the angle. Then I will click mirror. In the mirror I will click like this, and I will try to make it perpendicular here, or just turn the ortho mode. Time angular, let me check the angle here, it should be 63, so then it's correct. Let me delete. Okay, and then here I'll draw the angle, the circle. Here let me take this by move and enter here like this to this one, like this. So now I draw like this one, it's in position. Dimension, I will put DIM time, enter, then I will be selecting like this from wherever I want. This like this, it's 21.1, oh, sorry, like this, and so on. And I will add dime angular. I will select this and this, so the angle between them like this is 63. I will add another layer for dimension. I will make it orange. So we will add time radius like this 3.5 and this also 3.5 like this. Do dia, so it will be showing the diameter, which is 7, not 3.5, which is the radius. Now we can join them together to show join and again join. So we will do for all of them. Finally, we can add the hatch as we want from this command and select the color which we prefer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.